Guys, today we have brought some new inventions for your garden and farming, so enjoy this video till the end. The coming era will be robotic, where every work will be done by artificial intelligence and robots. And smart robots is a simple example of present, which works especially for lawn watering. It uses sensors to navigate around the lawn and water evenly without wasting any water. It can also be programmed to water specific areas of your lawn more or less depending on your needs. The grower robot is controlled by a smartphone app which allows you to start and stop the robot, track its progress, and adjust its settings. You can also use the app to create watering schedules for the robot to follow. This versatile tool can be used for a variety of gardening tasks including racking complex grass, clearing debris, and leveling soils. The rack has 30-inch wide head with two removable side sections. This allows you to quickly and easily convert the rack from full-size lawn rack to a narrow shelf rack or leaf grabber. The rack has also an adjustable handle so you can adjust it to the perfect height for you. A bypass looper is a cordless looper that is used to cut branches and fronds in the yard. The looper has 32 mm cutting capacity, which means that it can cut through branches up to 32 mm in diameter. It also has a bypass cutting action which provides a clean and precise cut. It is a lightweight and easy to use tool that is perfect for paring trees and shrubs. The Gloria Garden Boy Plus is an electric garden cultivator that is perfect for a variety of gardening tasks including tilling and losing soils, removing weeds, aerating soils, mixing compost and manure, and preparing seed beds. It is mostly used for losing soil around the plant. This tool is valuable for any gardener who want to save time and effort when preparing their garden. Pro pedal attachment is used to clear rocks and other debris stuck over the grass and lawn. This is an extremely handy tool to make short works for this type of cleanup. Splitting wood by hand is a very difficult task. To make it easier, this handy smart splitter has been made. It uses a drop weight to split logs. It is designed to reduce the risk of accident and can split logs of all sizes. People can use it with limited strength or mobility. The drop weight is easy to lift and drop. Hedge and grass shear is a cordless tool that can be used to trim hedges and grasses. It is a part of Roibo 1 Plus system, which means that it can be powered by any Roibo 1 Plus battery. It has a 217 mm laser cut blade that can cut through branches up to 8 mm thick. This is a good choice for people who have a limited mobility or strength, as it does not require a lot of effort to use. During watering garden, spreading and wrapping the pipe is a very difficult task. So this tool is designed to make this task easier. It has a number of features that make it a great choice. It will retract the pipe automatically when you are finished using it, so you don't have to waste time winding it off yourself. The Topkeeper Pro NL is a moss and weed remover for artificial grass. It is a powerful and effective product that can remove even the most stubborn moss and weeds. The Topkeeper Pro is also easy to use and it can be applied with a brush or a garden sprayer. The Topkeeper Pro is safe to use on all type of artificial grass and it will not damage the grass in any way. The Turtle Weeding Robot is a solar-powered robot that can weed your garden for you. It uses artificial intelligence to identify weeds and then remove them using a string trimmer. The Turtle Weeding Robot is safe to use around the plant and can program it to weed on schedule. The Turtle Robot is a great way to save time and effort when it comes to weeding your garden. It is also a good option for people who have difficulty bending down or kneeling to weed. It is a branch bender that is used to bend branch in a specific direction. It has two handles that are attached to the end of the branch and they are designed to hold the branch in a specific direction. The bender also has a screw in the middle that can be tight or loose to adjust the angle of the bend. The plant propagator pots is a plastic container that are used to propagate plants using the air layering method. Air layering is a technique that involves growing roots directly on branch of a plant. To use it, fill soil in the container and attach to branch. Once the root have formed, the branch can be cut from the parent plant and plant on the new place. The plant is attached to support yard using the holder clip. Plant holder clip can be used to protect plant from damages. For example, you can protect them from heavy rain and a strong wind. The backpack mounted fertilizer spreader is specially designed for root fertilizing. The machine has a tank that can be filled with fertilizer and a pump that dispenses the fertilizer through a series of nozzles. The machine is also equipped with a soldier harnesses and a waist belt, which makes it comfortable to wear and use for extended period of time. So these are some tools for your garden and farming. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe this channel. We will see you again.